talk, Lena. Sing.
Sing the song. Sing the song, Lena. Sing to us. Oh, Lena, sing.
I got it on the tape. Now listen.
What am I going to do?
Lena, we've got it. It's perfect. Rod, get a microphone set up back of that curtain. Kathy,
Okay.
come here. Lena, Kathy will stand back from there and sing for you.
You mean she'll be back of the curtain singing and I'll be out in front doing like in the picture?
That's right.
What?
You gotta do it, Kathy. This thing is too big.
Of course she's got to do it. She's got a 5-year contract with me. Get over to that microphone, Selden.
You heard him, Kathy. Now do it.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Now the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face.
I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the
rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above.
The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. And storm.
Ladies and gentlemen, stop that girl. That girl running up the aisle. Stop her. That's the girl whose voice you heard and loved tonight. She's the real star of the picture.